Wow, what's good, guys? I hope you're doing well. We've seen some absolutely unbelievable and really unusual sort of UST stablecoin drift off. So basically UST Terra stablecoin, which should be pegged to the dollar, has depegged itself during the weekend and basically just over the last few days. So what happened before the actual main event is the crypto-backed stablecoin TerraUSD drifted off its peg during weekend as a result of massive withdrawals of the token made via various DeFi products. Luna Foundation Guard lends 1.5 billion to regain USD's peg as well, so they were trying to actually hedge on this particular loss. More Bitcoin acquisitions are expected to be made if the price of stablecoin rises above its peg in the following days, according to data from Binance and Coinbase. So the value of UST is standing at 0.95 as of this morning. Now what I want to show you is this crazy news. It's really hard to get my mind around this as well. Luna and UST nosedive as LFG drains its reserves to maintain the peg. The price of Luna dropped over 50% yesterday during yesterday's crypto trading session following news that the Luna Foundation Guard, or LFG, drained 1.5 billion from its Bitcoin reserve in a move that sought to defend the UST's peg to the US dollar as withdrawals of the stablecoin keep soaring. Luna is the token that powers the Terra blockchain, and its primary purpose is to be used as a stabilizer of the network stablecoins via mint and burn mechanisms. According to the project's white paper, Terra uses Luna to guarantee that its stablecoins remain pegged by allowing investors to exchange $1 in UST for $1 in Luna at any given point. However, UST drifted off its peg and fell to nearly 0.60 per coin as traders withdrew a significant amount from the Anchor protocol, a DeFi platform that offered sizable rewards for staking the stablecoin itself, guys. UST's pains started during the weekend when a handful of whales pulled the plug out Bitcoin, basically millions of dollars of Bitcoins from Anchor and Curve, and prompted the stablecoin to drift off the peg for the first time in forever. So as of this morning, the value of UST is standing at 0.93. We have made a 23% recovery, but you know, it's not looking great, and this is not good in terms of the confidence of investors and people that are using those DeFi platforms. This is basically what happened. We can see over the month, of course, this should be pegged to the dollar as close to as possible, and we've seen a very unusual event. We came all the way down to $0.76 over here. This should never be happening. A few comments just here on the right. Relax, the algorithm will catch up with the market. Your money is safe. First time I put money into a stablecoin, and now look at this. If UST achieves its peg again, will the community still have confidence in it? And yeah, basically it's pretty crazy. So if we go over to DeFi Llama, we can actually kind of see what's happened. That Terra Luna lost 46% of its total value locked. As we see, things were looking pretty good. You know, just the fair value, the average value, the trend, we're putting through high highs, high lows, and then just suddenly we've had this massive drop off from like 30 odd billion all the way down to about 13 billion. So it has had a major effect. Anchor is another one. We can see massive TVL has just lost here, so it doesn't look amazing to see this, but this is basically the result of what's happened in the market at the moment, and with the LFG selling the Bitcoin, and of course the extreme fear that's represented in the market as well. You know, this is a huge playoff, but I do think we'll see recovery for UST in the weeks to come. Just like every fearful event, we usually see a reversal, and it's only when you emotionally react do you actually suffer a consequence, when you could have a much more strategic approach in these fearful scenarios, you know, maybe not getting shaken out and things like that. Guys, also just want to announce to you my $100 Twitter giveaway, so head down into my Twitter down in the description or the comments below. Make sure you retweet, like, subscribe to the channel for an automatic entry. If you want to also have 2 times entries, just hop over to the Discord as well. That will give you 2 times the chance to win, so make sure you do that, guys, for the channel. It's just my way to say thanks for all the viewers as well that come on by. So basically, just quick market overview on what's going on. We can see layer 1 infrastructure is all down. The blue chips are down 18.1% on the weekly market cap. We've had big losses for Bitcoin, big losses for Ethereum, big losses for Cardano, Hex, Solana, Avalanche. You know, all our big blue chips all down. Bitcoin has bounced up to 31.4k, but will it be enough? Will this just be a dead cat? Will we actually capitulate lower? You know, looking at 18 to 24k levels. Personally, I think it's very possible, and I do have my eyes set on much lower levels. I'm going to show you right here where I think Bitcoin can tumble down to realistically, because, well, if we look at our BLX chart right here, which I'm going to show you right now, put it onto logarithmic onto the monthly time frames, just stick with me. Well, we can see so far, we've still only seen a 56% correction for this market. Massive red monthly candle, but to be fair, it's been nothing like May 2021. May 2021 was so much worse than what we're seeing just now. Of course, the previous market cycles, we only had 82% correction, 85% correction, 77% correction, as well as a 93% correction from market cycle tops to bottoms, which does make me think historical data must allow us to come lower. 70% correction in the market will take us down to around about a $20,000 Bitcoin. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Subscribe. See you soon.